This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Veronica Rosado. Short sale. Attention investors. Cash only. Spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with an additional full-built bathroom, located on a large corner lot with plenty of room to expand or customize. The property needs some repairs but offers great potential. No flood zone. No HOA or CDD. In 2004, foundation stabilization work was completed. Report will be provided. Conveniently located near shopping centers and other amenities. Don't miss this investment opportunity. Contact me today for more details. For more information, review the details below or contact Veronica Rosado at 813-525-6474.